PTFE2 PSU. User manual, bearing holder for filament, and hanging spore holder. Please check whether the joint box is good and not damaged before use. As you can see, the LCD panel seems to have a lot of scratches. Don't worry, there's a protective film on the LCD. You just need to remove it off, then it will look pretty good. Turn around it to its back. We can see this hole is for moisture out. The lower hole was used to install the PTFE2 with filament lines. We have prepared a 10 cm PTFE2 so you can install by yourself. Install the bearing holder for the filament. For the PLA Plus filament, low HDT filaments, there are two methods to piece it. The first method is to piece it on the bearing holder directly. Another method is to piece it on a hanging spore holder. For the PETG, ABS, nano filaments, high HDT filaments, you should piece them on the hanging spore holder. For the drying method, if the filament is wet, then please wait it until it is finished, then you can start printing. If the filament is not very wet, you can print and dry the filament at the same time. Now we need to pull the filament from the joint box out. Plug the PSU into the joint box. You can refer to this and then control your joint box. Temperature range 40 to 70 degrees Celsius. time range 0 to 24 hours. Long press 3 seconds, then it will enter to the filament choose mode. You can choose the filament type. If you set the time to 0, then it will always be on the drying status until you close it. Double-click the central button to switch LED mode. Plug in the PSU cable and click the central button when it power on. I have just finished the app config. You can use the app to control the drying box. Set the filament mode. Set the night effect so you can enjoy or see the remain filament at night. You can adjust the temperature or time at any time. Mute sound feature. You can turn off touch beeping sound if you like. Also, it supports timeout screen off feature. About 60 seconds, then it will turn off screen if there no control. This is the cooling fan. When this is heating, it will run and its speed is controlled by the motherboard, so you don't need to control it manually. The motherboard will check the temperature by the sensors. We use the sensor holder to fix it. This is the heating pad with the PI heating pad. The LCD cable. We have imported it and now its band array will be more stable than before. This is the LCD panel and the LCD itself. Let us check its backside. For the sensor of LED, it is a sensor named AHT20 and it can get the temperature value and the moisture value at the same time. So the motherboard can read it and then do something. And there 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 RGB LED, so you can get the good night effects. At last, these springs are used for the touch feature. And thanks for your watching.